Prices of resale flats continue to climb, although at a slower pace. Flash estimates released by the HDB showed the latest resale index at 2.4% compared to 2.8% in the previous quarter. Analysts say rising interest rates and cooling measures introduced last week will dampen future demand. Rebecca Mateo tells us more.
Flats in mature estates like Toa Payoh are highly sought after, and people are willing to pay a premium for them. In the third quarter of this year, 15 resale flats there were sold for more than $1 million, while about 50 were sold just slightly below the $1 million mark.
As a result of persistent demand for HDB resale flats and the unwavering interest for $1 million flats as well. And this has allowed to strengthen the overall price expansion. And it was further boosted by continued growth in resale prices in both the mature estate as well as the non-mature estate.
With resale flat prices rising, the government introduced another round of cooling measures just last week. Private homeowners have to wait 15 months before buying a resale flat, while those buying a flat will face a loan limit of 80%. Analysts say these measures will work to curb demand for resale flats.
At least some of these potential buyers from the private market will actually stay out of this resale market for the time being. So the number of people who are actually willing or able to pay a higher price or even $1 million for kind of transaction will actually reduce over time. And this can actually help to cool down and slow down the transaction activity in the resale market.
With interest rates and inflation rising, buyers are also thinking twice about how much they want to pay for their homes. And analysts say prices of resale flats will still go up, but at a smaller margin, 8% instead of the 9% previously projected. Over in the private sector, prices of properties also went up 3.4% in the third quarter, compared with 3.5% in the previous quarter. The URA says prices in the suburban region rose the most, by 7%, driven by new projects. Other regions saw fewer new projects.
Prices of homes in the suburbs jumped the most, mainly because there was a spike in terms of median prices of new condos last quarter, which rose about 18% to around 2,100 per square foot. Moreover, there were more than 900 new condominiums that were transacted above 2,000 per square foot, 21 of which were transacted above 2,400 per square foot.
Analysts add that private home prices may be up by 7% this year, and cooling measures will have just a moderate impact on buyers.